Welcome to EPG Pathshala. Module 1, Technological Foundation to Education. Technology has got broad concept, and there are various things with regard to the technological concept. That is, there are various branches: technology of education, technology of information technology, and biotechnology, and various other forms of technology. Human species, for example, they started off the technological advancement when they invented fire. And with the invention of fire, many other things followed. They were encouraged to find more, and that's the reason they invented the wheel. And by inventing the wheel, they realized that they can travel around, and that form of technology, it had taken them into further heights. And that's the reason the other form of technological inventions came into being. Printing press, then started off with radio, then the mobile internet. All these have given the communication developments, and these communication developments in technology had made people to communicate far and wide. And there are many disadvantages of these too. With the advent of technology, people realized the pollution in the atmosphere has increased, and then they started developing mass destructive weapons. That was another disadvantage of technology. And you will find even values of people have reduced, mainly because of the technological advancement. So there are so many not only the advantages, but there are disadvantages too. So let us look into what are the implications of the present day technology. Introduction to Module 1. Technology, it comes from the Greek techne, that means art, skill, cunning of hand, and then modification, usage, knowledge of tools and machines, techniques, crafts, systems, and methods of recognition. In order to solve a problem, improve a pre-existing solution to a problem, achieve a goal, handle an applied input-output relation, or perform a specific function, it can also refer to the collection of such tools, including machinery, modifications, arrangements, and procedures. Technologies significantly affect human as well as other animal species, and other animal species' ability to control and adapt to their natural environments. The term can either be applied generally or to specific areas. Examples include construction technology, medical technology, and information technology. The human species use technology began with conversion of natural resources into simple tools. The prehistorical discovery of the ability to control fire increased the available sources of food, and the invention of the wheel helped humans in traveling in and controlling other environment. Recent technological developments, including the printing press, the telephone, the internet, have lessened physical barriers. However, not all technology has been used for peaceful purposes. The development of weapons of ever-increasing destructive power has progressed throughout history, from clubs to nuclear weapons. Technology has affected society in its surroundings in a number of ways. In many societies, Technology has helped develop more advanced economies, including global economy, and has allowed the rise of leisure class. Many technological processes produce unwanted byproducts known as pollution and deplete natural resources to the detriment of Earth's environment. Various implementations of technology influence the values of society, and new technology often raises new ethical questions. Examples include the rise of the notion of efficiency in terms of human productivity, a term originally applied only to machines, and the challenge of traditional norms. Concept of educational technology, meaning education derived from Latin word educare and educare, educatum, and act or a process of acquiring, imparting knowledge, skills, and attitudes. What is technology? It is the application of knowledge and science to the practical aims of human life by changing and manipulating the human environment. Technology includes the use of materials, tools, techniques, and sources of power to make life easier or more pleasant and work more productive. Whereas science is concerned with how and why things happen, technology focuses on making things happen. Technology is a science of techniques and methods of doing things and related to science, arts, or any profession. Technology continually developing a system of information processing aimed at providing better ways of living. Technological infrastructures range from small chipsets up to the satellites orbiting the planet. Education technology means role of technology in education, technology of education by which educational goals can be achieved. Now, technology of education deals with systematic application of the resource of scientific knowledge, of the process of learning that each individual has to pass through in order to acquire the use of knowledge. What is hardware and software and aspects of education technology? Hardware aspect education technology refers to machine aspect of education technology, which includes tape recorder, computer, OSB, etc. Software aspect of education technology includes audio, video cassettes, microfilm, slides, PowerPoint presentations, Word file, etc. While the former is based on engineering principles, the latter is based on psychological and sociological principles. What is cybernetic phase of education in evaluation of technology? Cybernetic phase. The cybernetics tradition, which lays emphasis on feedback, is traced back to the Second World War, where there was a need for systematic communication and control system. Cybernetics has been defined as the comparative study of the human or biological control mechanism and electromechanical control systems such as computers. Definition of education technology. Geo M. Leith in 1967 says, educational technology is application of scientific knowledge about learning and conditions of learning to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of teaching and learning. National Council for Education Technology UK says that educational technology means the development, application, and evaluation of three different things: techniques, systems, and aids to improve the process of human learning. Association for Education, Communication and Technology of USA says that education technology is an integrated process involving people, procedures, idea, design, and organization for analyzing the problems, devising, implementing, evaluating, and managing solutions to those problems involved in all aspects of teaching and learning. Nature of educational technology. Systematic application of science and technology in education. Practical discipline rather than theoretical construct. Provides efficiency to the task of teaching learning. technical guidance, solution to the problems of education, effective communication between teacher and the taught, encompasses total teaching learning process. Education technology is not limited to the use of AV-aids, involves 5 M's: man, medium, machine, message and materials. Designs instruments for evaluating learning outcomes. Scope of education technology. Areas included: field of operation, analysis of process of teaching and learning, identifying the educational goals and objectives, development of the teaching learning process, teacher preparation and teacher training, development and selection of the teaching learning strategies of tactics, development, selection and use of appropriate AV-aids, effective utilization of hardware and mass media. Now, education technology is wise application of available human and material resources for providing appropriate solutions to the educational problems and to improve the process and products of education. The term educational technology has a wide meaning and scope and involves information technology, communication technology, instructional technology, information and communication technology and behavioral technology. ET is equal to IT plus CT plus information technology plus BT plus ICT. Instructional technology as part of educational technology. Instructional technology is a subset of education technology based on the concept that instruction is a subset of education. Education can be defined as a process of living through continuous reconstruction of experiences, and instruction is a process of providing a controlled environment consisting of various components with which an individual interacts and gains experience, leading to the attainment of certain pre-specified learning outcomes. Fundamental principles of instructional technology. Content matter can be divided into elements and each element can be represented independently. External learning conditions can be created by arranging elements in a logical sequence. Learn at his or her own pace. Learning is influenced by learner's need and motivation. Instruction can provide necessary reinforcement. Strategies and tactics of instruction are designed to achieve well-defined set of objectives. Individualized learning is possible. Communication technology as part of educational technology. Civilization has evolved, so has communication technology. From letters to phone calls to email, basic communication methods have consistently progressed into the complex system as we see today. As humans continue to become more independent on technological communication, such improvements will continue to be made. Modern day communication technology has essentially made interaction instantaneous, inexpensive and concise. The activity of designing, constructing and maintaining communication system such as telephones, telefax, fax, radio, television, video and computer-based technologies used for communication between individuals or groups. It involves all electronic system. It is the combination of communication plus machines for a quick and easy mode of transfer or communication. Communication modes. Modes of communication are ways of sending information from one person to the other. Video communication is achieved by using web cameras to connect two or more parties. This is the next best communication option after face-to-face, as you get most of the same benefits. However, there is always the possibility of bad connections or other technical issues that hinder communication. Audio is a voice-only form of communication, such as a conversation on a telephone. This is a good instant communication tool if you catch the person instead of getting an answering machine or voicemail, but it does not have the benefit of allowing you to see the other person. It is also more difficult to include more than two parties. Text communication includes internet communication such as email, instant messaging and forums, text messaging and printed papers. Text communication does not have the benefits of audio and video, but it is much easier to distribute information to a large group of people and save records of the communication. Components of information technology includes hardware, software, data, people and set of methods, traditional and practices of educational system. Processor information technology. Information technology is combination of communication technology plus computer technology. IT involves the processing of information by a computer. The software applications and the hardware devices are the main components of information technology. The web browsers, the operating purpose, applications are the software used in information technology. Role of information technology in education. Computer networking system and internet system are the mega trends of information technology. Research in networking, computing, data representation for exploring the existing methodologies, online learning technique and multimedia electronic libraries to improve the sharing of knowledge and educational practices. To develop problem solving, analytical and research skills. Electronic learning tools like WebCT, Inspire, WebEx and HP Virtual Classroom, IBM Lotus Virtual Classrooms, etc. help students to understand, learn and interact effectively. CBT delivered through CD-ROM, LAN, Internet provides motivation, feedback in the place of teacher. Then WBT delivers educational content through Internet, intranet and provides links to other learning resources such as references, email, bulletin boards and discussion groups. Virtual classrooms, students can search databases, listen to pre-recorded audio comments, converse with the teacher, other students through email, discussion board, use app resources to seek, access and apply knowledge. Need for information technology. Education is lifelong process, therefore anytime, anywhere, access to it is the need. Information explosion is an ever increasing phenomena, therefore there is need to get access to this information. Education should meet the needs of variety of learners and therefore IT is important in meeting this need. It is requirement of the society that the individuals should possess technological literacy. We need to increase access and bring down the cost of education to meet the challenges of illiteracy and poverty, and IT is the answer. Importance of information technology. It gives access to variety of learning resources. It gives immediacy to information. It gives anytime learning, anywhere learning, collaborative learning, and it gives multimedia approach to education, and it gives authentic and up-to-date information, access to online libraries. It gives teaching of different subjects made interesting, and it gives educational data storage. Distance education is made possible. Access to the source of information is possible. Multiple communication channels, email, chat, forums, blogs, etc. can be found over there. Access to open courseware is possible through technology. Better access to children with disabilities, reduce time on many routine tasks. So these are some of the need and importance of technology. Information and communication technology as part of educational technology. The revolution in ICTs has profound implications for economic and social development. It has pervaded every aspect of human life, whether it is health, education, economics, governance and entertainment, etc. Information and communication technologies are also crucial drivers for tourism providers to conduct business transactions, distribute their products and services, network with trading partners and provide information to consumers worldwide. An interesting and increasing number of consumers are using the internet to obtain information, plan effectively and utilize their time. ICT refers to a technology employed in the form of tools, equipment and applications support which helps in the collection, storage, retrieval, use, transmission, manipulation and dissemination of information as accurately and effectively as possible for the purpose of enriching knowledge and develop communication, decision making as well as problem solving ability of the user. Information technology and communication technology. The components are processor, memory, input output channels, micro, mini and large scale computers, mass storage technologies, data communication, networking and distributed processing, data entry, display, response and software, involving three major aspects: computer technology, communication technology and reprographic, micrographic and printing technologies. Application on education: to broadcast material online facility in different subjects, to facilitate communication for pupils with special needs, to use electronic toys to develop spatial awareness and psychomotor control, to facilitate video conferencing, to evolve students from distant geographic areas for blended learning by combining conventional classroom learnings, to process administrative and assessment of data. Thus the term, to sum up, we can see the user technology, how it has really opened up avenues for education today. And the various types of technologies, education, under education technology you have various other technologies like information technology, then technology and education. All these have merged and all these have really made the technological input really greater, and therefore we can see the technology that they have received, the technological advancement the educational institutions have received, these have really increased the capability of the people using it, and the education scenario today is really fostered through these technologies. When we look at technology from the time that the people invented fire and the time that now they have the cell phones by which they can almost use everything, which has made the world really closer to every one of us. And as we use technology further, not looking at the disadvantages of technology, but the uses and the benefits of technology, that will really open up the youngsters of today. And as we go further with in our education, we need to really look into the vibrancy of this technological inputs that the education has provided. So let us make use of the technologies that we have and improve our learning outcome. Thank you.